Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a mischievous boy named Timmy. Timmy was known for his playful pranks, but his favorite trick was the one where he would cry, "Wolf!" only to be saved by the villagers, much to their annoyance. One day, Timmy found an opportunity to play his trick again. As the sun set, he ran through the village streets, shouting, "Wolf! Wolf!" The villagers, growing tired of Timmy's pranks, decided to teach him a lesson. They pretended to ignore Timmy's cries, walking past his house as if they hadn't heard a thing. Timmy waited and waited, but no one came. The villagers had left him alone, hoping he would learn his lesson. As the night grew darker, a real wolf appeared. Timmy, who had grown tired from his pranks, was too afraid to cry out. The wolf, taking advantage of Timmy's fear, approached him. Timmy tried to run, but the wolf was too fast. In a panic, he looked around for help, but the villagers were nowhere to be seen. He realized his mistake. His pranks had made the villagers ignore his cries when he truly needed help. In the end, the villagers came to Timmy's rescue, but the damage had been done. Timmy had learned a valuable lesson that day, the power of words and the importance of honesty. From then on, Timmy stopped his pranks and started using his words more wisely. He discovered that words have the power to bring people together, to seek help, and to create a sense of safety. And so, the boy who once cried wolf became the boy who learned to honor his words, teaching the village a lesson in turn, that our actions, especially our words, have consequences and can shape the world around us.